Assalamu alaikum. So I really am not aware that they could actually do a gender reveal before 120 days, but if there is a procedure, I guess, right now they're advancing and technology is becoming faster than what we're updated on. It is actually permissible. So there's no difference between knowing the child's sex before 120 days or even after the baby is born. There's absolutely no text or no reason whatsoever that would actually make it haram. So I'm not sure where they're actually getting that information from. If it's at the end of the day known to us, this is male, this is female, it doesn't matter if it's 120 days before or before the 120 days, or whether it's after, or whether it's after the baby is born. It's all the same thing, because we just know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He had mentioned that He's the one that knows what every womb conceals, that doesn't mean that you are peaking or that you are going against qadar. Qadar is going to be the same. So